To use the Adapt sound in Galaxy S25 FE, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to locate sounds and vibration, then scroll down until we locate the sound quality and effects. Go for Adapt sound right here. You can turn it on and off with this switch, but you can also click on it to adjust the settings. And what it does is Adapt sound gives you perfect sound that's tuned just for your ears. It works whenever you're wearing headphones. Choose a preset that matches your age or take a hearing test to create a personalized sound profile. So keep in mind that this option works whenever you're wearing headphones. So only with headphones, then you can adapt sound for media and calls, only media or only calls. You can also choose a preset that was mentioned in this description, under 30 years old, 30 to 60 or over 60 years old. And there's also this plus button that allows you to perform a hearing test to personalize it just for you. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.